So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Haris Creation World. Today this video is regarding what are the various kind of service in hotel industry we are providing. So let's start the video. In this video I am going to be discuss over the major 5 category of services in hotel industry. Table service, self service, assisted service, single point service and specialized service. What is table service? In this category, the guest entry in the area and he is seated. Menu is listed, given or displayed for orders. The orders are taken by the server. Then he starts serving using a lid cover on the table. Table service are again divided in few categories. For example, American service. A service of pre-plated food to the guest by the server, carried out from the right hand side of the guest. This demands the serving staff to be skilled in carrying plates without disturbing the food and arrange on them. Next is silver service. The presentation and service of the food to the guest by the server from the food platter or dish to the guest plate with the help of service gear, always done from the left hand side of the guest. Family service or friend service, a very simple method of service in which the server dishes are presented to the guest and placed on the dining table, allowing the guest to select and serve himself. Goridon service. The term goridon means a trolley used for the presenting or finishing of food. A trolley is used to cook various ingredients involving a lots of showmaps such as plum, carving, etc. Next is Russian service. Food, which is usually consists of a well roast, is presented to the host, taken back to the side station by the servers, then served to the guest. Assisted service. In this service, guests enter in the dining area and help himself to the food either from a buffet counter. For example, you can take buffet service. He uses presentation of food items, hot and cold, different cuisine. The service staff position itself behind the buffet and assists the guest by plating their food for as they select. Another main category of service is self-service. In this type of service, the guest enter in the dining area, select his own tray or from the food counter and carries food by himself to his sitting place. For example, we can take cafeteria service. Single point service. In this category, the guest orders and pays for his order and gets served all at single point. There may not be any dining area or seats. These all are the few examples of single point service. So next is specialized service. In this category, the guest is served at the place which is not meant or designed for food and beverage service. For example, you can take grill room service, tray service, home delivery, lounge service, room service. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share with friends.